vulnerable at home.
Sean, aren't you talking about this isn't just some Boy Scout? No, besides, his house is probably alarmed up the wazoo.
Code is 10-19-86. That's his dead son's birthday.
That's brilliant.
I sleep with his wife.
They check every right. Dilo Joe nine ye wine. Now to the court of Margaret, but can go mang too long kind.